Welcome to the wonderful world of chemistry. Today, with the help of the Alchemy set by Mel Chemistry, we will turn a copper coin into silver and then into gold. Perform this experiment on a plastic tray to contain any possible spills. Don't forget to put on protective gloves and goggles before doing the experiment. To open a bottle containing a reagent, push the cap down and turn it. Pierce the bottle nozzle with an unbent paper clip. For the transmutation experiment, you will need a zinc paperclip, zinc sulfate solution, a mold, 3 candles, a piece of foil, a copper coin, plastic tweezers, and a brush. From the starter kit, take the solid fuel stove, the flame diffuser, and a disposable cup. Prepare lighter or matches in advance. Take a mold and put the zinc paperclip into it. Now place the copper coin onto the paperclip. Prepare the solid fuel stove. Put 3 candles into it. Light them and cover the stove with the flame diffuser. Place the piece of foil on the flame diffuser. Put the mold onto it. Carefully pour 1 bottle of zinc sulfate solution into the mold and wait for 10 minutes. Using the brush, gently remove the bubbles forming on the coin. Pour some water into the disposable cup. Take the coin out of the mold with the help of the tweezers and rinse it in the water. The coin has become silver. Put the coin onto the foil and wait for approximately 5 to 15 minutes. Now remove the coin from the stove and wash it in the water. The coin has turned golden. When the mold is heated, zinc atoms leave the paperclip and go into the solution. After a while, some of the zinc atoms return to the metal. Since the copper coin is in contact with the paperclip, the zinc atoms are equally attracted to copper as to zinc, so they begin to cover the copper coin. After some time, the copper coin becomes covered with a thin layer of zinc atoms. This makes it seem silvery. If such a zinc-covered copper coin is heated, the zinc atoms mix with the copper atoms on the surface of the coin, giving an alloy, brass, which looks very similar to gold. Learn more about this experiment on our Mel Science website.